Hello friends, thanks for watching my channel Collab Architects, where I am sharing my technical knowledge with you guys online on a different networking domain topics on Cisco and other products, including routing and voice over IP protocols, BGP, MPLS, switching, troubleshooting, question and answers, and much more on a single place. So, you do not need to go anywhere and struggle to learn these stuffs. If you want to continue your learning on the different networking domain in a very simple, easy, and step-by-step way, then please like and subscribe my channel by clicking on the red subscribe icon and also click on the bell icon so that you can get the quick updates on the latest uploaded videos, which will give me an alert and confidence in uploading more technical videos in future for you guys.